So I ended up in this place with live music. The singer is there. I hope he sings my song. I ordered a drink and some snacks. Let's see. Yeah, it was pretty random. Look at that. Pure bliss. Cheers. Oh, perfect. So I got some snacks with my food for free. So nice. Some chips and some. She said wheat snacks. Let's see. It's so dark here. I'm pretty sure you can't see anything. But we'll try. Oh, so good. It's the chicken pâté that I ordered. Chicken liver pâté. Let's try it. Sorry, I'm making this video really fast because there's so much noise in the background. Let's try it. It came with bread. Yeah. Oh, just like everything else, perfect. Oh my god, that's amazing. That's a very strong taste though. If you're not a liver lover, you're not gonna like it.